There you are now. Aren't you an awful Aegis? Did you not know that you were an Aegis? Yes, you are. You're an Aegis. Go on, look, you're drenching me, poor clothes. The two rams are coming out now. Here they are. They're going into the... Are they going out to the... Which... There they are now. Look, wow, they're pretty big, aren't they? Them's... how old would they be now, Peter?
They would be 2-year-olds.
Only 2?
Yeah.
You see, it's all the wool, isn't it?
Yeah.
You never think that it's... You know, I've never been up in this back field at all. Oh, no, don't bother. There you are now. The poor... It's the wool, isn't it?
Yeah.
Good. And now in Morocco they'd be eaten. No, they're too old, aren't they? What? Yeah, that's what I mean. What's in the... And is this a big water tank that you have in the middle of that blue yogi?
Well, it did, but I don't use it again.
You have it for the summer, like, or
Yeah.
drought times. And is there a hose going over to it to fill it?
No, but I put out.
Right, yeah. Yeah. Whoa. Lovely. This is, we're up in the Dublin Mountains. I'm making a little video for my friends in Morocco. Do you remember the Morocco video?
Yeah,
so that people know that we're all poor starving waifs here in Ireland, freezing.
Inside the shed, no.
Do you have the chappies in?
No, they're not.
You plenty of the hay. This in Morocco is called tibbin.
Oh, that's
Tibbin. Yeah, tibbin. And if you really want to, insult someone, tell him that he eats tibbin, eats hay. I say it jokingly to people, and they think it's hilarious. It's if you said that to somebody here when you were younger, would they have laughed? You eat hay. Go on, off and eat the tibbin. Yes. And do you have more out, Peter, or is this it?
What?
Is this all your stock, or do you have more out? Yeah. Do you know? I do actually see down at Cork Harbour there, in front of the train station, the ship comes in twice a week, and it takes big, huge bales. Now I don't know that it's hay.
Silage.
Yeah, it's silage. Yeah. Oh yeah, and it's round just like what you have here, but it's twice a week that's coming in. And it doesn't drop in stuff, it just takes it away.
Yeah.
Where's it going to?
Well, going down to West of Ireland or somewhere.
Oh, you mean they transport by ship?
I don't know, yeah.
Oh, right, okay.